Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your home science class and our today's topic is chapter 12 CQ-1. So let's start our class. Students, at first look, this is the chapter 12, this is the creative question. At first we have to read the stem, and from this stem we have 4 questions. So start number 1. In a summer noon, Sarah went to a wedding house with her son Irfan and daughter Saba. She gave cotton shirt pants to Irfan and silk dress to Saba to wear. Later, mother noticed that Irfan was feeling comfortable in the crowd of the wedding ceremony, but Saba was feeling uncomfortable. After coming back at home, mother washed both Irfan's and Saba's clothes together in warm water and rubbed the clothes with soap. So the first question is, what is the source of flax? Number B, why is the cotton cloth comfortable to wear in all seasons? Explain. Number C, why was Saba feeling uncomfortable? Explain. Number D, do you think Sarah was right in washing the clothes? Analyze and discuss. So the first answer of number A is, the source of flax or flax fiber is a kind of plant named flax. And the answer of number B is, cotton fabrics are heat conductive and absorb water easily. It is easy to take care of cotton clothes. This is why a cotton cloth is comfortable to wear in all seasons. Now the question of C is, why was Saba feeling uncomfortable? Explain. So the answer is, Saba was wearing a silk dress. Silk fiber or silk thread is the largest, brightest and softest one among all natural fibers. It is produced by the saliva of silkworm. The quality of heat conductivity of silk fiber is not good. This is why we feel warm if we wear clothes of silk fabric during summer. When Saba went to the wedding house wearing a silk dress, she also felt warm. This is why she was feeling uncomfortable in the crowd of wedding ceremony. Students, I think this word is not seen here clearly. Also felt, F-E-L-T, this is T. So when Saba went to the wedding house wearing a silk dress, she also felt warm. This is why she was feeling uncomfortable in the crowd of wedding ceremony. Now the question of D. Do you think Sarah was right in washing the clothes? Analyze and discuss. Now the answer is, I think Sarah was not right in washing the clothes. She washed cotton clothes and silk clothes together. But the characteristics of cotton fiber are different from the characteristics of silk fiber. Cotton fabrics absorb water easily. Cotton fabrics can be washed by soap, soda, warm water, etc. We can rub hard while washing them. On the other hand, silk fabrics get damaged with different kinds of alkali like soap, soda, etc. Moreover, silk clothes should not be rubbed hardly during washing. But Sarah Khatun washed both types of clothes in warm water and rubbed the clothes with soap. This process is suitable for the cotton clothes but not suitable for the silk clothes. Okay, so this is the answer of the creative question of chapter 12. Okay students, that's all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.